freshwater crocodiles.
Yeah, they should be
Yeah, over there. Funny how we get all these back home, yet we still get more amazed looking at them in a closed cage.
There's space when you look at them here.
Hey?
There's space when we look at them here because they can't run after it.
The freshwater, that's fine. Sleepy drop there. What is one there? Hello.
They're a bit more than play fighting. They're a bit more than play fighting. I've got to play.
Are they?
Hey, up him.
I don't care. It's nature at its best. Hey, you're not going to see that through, eh? Hey, sleeping up in the
Yeah, they're not
log in there.
That's in the kernel.
Yeah.
Here, little quokka.
Do they sleep during the day too? I thought they were active through the day.
No, they're all over the show. The quokka and a koala bear, drop bear. Very good. Nocturnal animals. Ooh la la. Oh, that comes up sick. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh yeah, little bilbies.
He's running around.
There's not very many of them around anymore.
I'm worried about their name.
Rough no. After watching the wallabies, mate.
He's a bit of a rough knob, isn't he? Crikey. Could be snakes and lizards in here. Darwin carpet. Oh, there he is in the corner. Black-headed python. Hey, buddy. No, I'm not Harry Potter. The common shed snake. Me. That's me, it's a portrait.
Up in sunlight, so they'll climb on top of other ones to get the best shots of sunlight.
What is it?
Boy dragon.
Oh, yeah, up the top.
Yeah, they're the ones that I got offered a pair. So that's a female because it's not very pretty, and that's a male because it's got lighter colours.
Hey Rio. Hey Ruby. Like free range. Hello.
They're beautiful.
$3 to get bird food. Hey, you can... Hello, beautiful. Look at you, handsome. Hello, pretty. You're nice.
145, it's past 145, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow, that just flew right in front of me.
Jump over. Nothing surprises me. Who's him?
Behind us.
Huh? Where? Where I'll find my new girlfriend here.
Oh, that's pretty. That's cool.
Little. Nice and quiet. Oh, so you collect them and just help them grow?
Yeah, so each species has a specific plant that they lay on, and we don't let them hatch out in here because in the wild there's only a 1% success rate from egg to butterfly.
Oh, really?
So we collect up all the eggs, and then I'll take them down to the laboratory where all the caterpillars are, and they grow them up in there where it's nice and clean.
That's really cool to know what they do.
Look at this.